Solve WhatsApp chat backup problem on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp chat backup problems on your iPhone. If your backup isn't working, don't worry, I've got you covered, so let's get into it. The first thing you'll want to check is your iCloud storage. WhatsApp backups rely on iCloud, and if you're running low on storage, your backup might fail. Go to Settings, tap on your name, then simply click on iCloud. Next, select Manage Storage to see how much storage you have left. Now, if you're running out of space, you might need to delete old files or upgrade your iCloud storage plan to make room for the WhatsApp backup. Now, let's make sure your WhatsApp backup settings are correctly configured. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, and scroll down and click on Select Chats and go to Chat Backup. Now click on Backup Now here. Also, you can see the latest backup and time. If the backup is turned off, just tap Backup Now to start a manual backup. Now, what you need to do is another common reason or issue is a poor Wi-Fi connection or low battery. WhatsApp backups can be large, so make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and that your iPhone has enough battery life. To avoid interruptions, connect your phone to a charger and stay close to your Wi-Fi router. Try the backup again and ensure your connection is stable. And that's it. If you followed all the steps, your WhatsApp chat backup should be working again.